Hold on to your hats, science fans. We've got a shocker for you. Did you know that lightning can reach temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius? That's hotter than the surface of the sun. Yeah, you heard right, the sun's surface is around 5,500 degrees Celsius. But lightning? It's like a cosmic blowtorch. This happens because lightning is a rapid discharge of electricity. When it strikes, the air around it heats up and expands, creating a shockwave. Boom! Thunder! Next time you see a storm brewing, just remember, you're witnessing a natural phenomenon that's out of this world. Stay curious, stay amazed, and stay safe. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Catch you next time, science lovers.